Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I am going to show you how to set up OpenClaw.ai. So not set up, I am going to teach you how you can connect your Telegram bot with OpenClaw and how you can use this service. So in my previous video, which is already uploaded on the YouTube, you can watch that video and you can learn how I did setup step by step in my VS Code. So earlier that bot is known as Malt bot, which is completely from scratch. Okay. So here we are going to connect it with Telegram and send a real automated message, so you can clearly understand how OpenClaw AI actually works. In this video is beginner friendly and I will explain you everything step by step. So watch this video till end. And before Maltport, it was known as Cloudbot. Okay, so let's continue the video. So I will come on my terminal here, and this is my terminal, and this is Maltport which I set up in my VS Code. If you also want to set up this in your system, then watch that video. Which link is already presented in the description box. So now we will go to the first project, that is Maltport. So for it, I will write cd Maltport. Okay, so let me see. Uh, Okay, I already am in this folder. That's why I got error. So let's clean it. Then you can see here, this all everything is presented here. So I will teach you how to run this node. Okay. So OpenClaw AI run using pnpm. So all command must be executed inside the project folder. Okay. So I will write the first command, pnpm dev hyphen onboard. Okay. Okay. I did mistake here. Let me cancel it. Yes. pnpm dev on board. Okay, so yeah, this command is perfect. So onboarding means first time setup. Here we OpenClaw will ask about model, channel, basic configuration, what you want to do. Okay, so and this is something about security warning. Okay, so OpenClaw show a security warning because it's a powerful automation tool. For this tool demo, it's safe to continue. Okay, so I will select yes here, and then I will use quick start. Then here you will get select a model. So I will select, for example, I will select synthetic here, and after that in API key I will write just demo API key. Okay, because I don't need API key now, because the work we are going to do is automation. Okay, so for it you can ignore it also. Okay, so yeah, I will click, and now yeah, this is our task which we are going to do, that Telegram bot API. Okay, so we are going to do this. Now we have to we need a bot API key. So for it, what we will do, so why I am choosing Telegram here. So Telegram is easiest channel to start with because it's fast, secure, doesn't require your mobile number to be exposed. Okay, so I will select Telegram bot API. Then it is asking me enter Telegram bot token. Okay, so from where I will get, so I will come on the screen, then I will come on my Telegram web which I connected here, and yeah, this is the bot father. From here you can create your Telegram channel. Okay, so how you can create, just you have to come on this bot father, then you have to write new bot. Then when you will write new bot, then you will get option. Okay, like sorry, too many attempts, let's try again. Oh my god. So actually I already have a boat here. So uh, that's why I'm getting this message. So I will come with my old boat which I created here. This is my old boat here. Okay, so how I am going to use it. So for this boat, if you will see the username here, so STHFDIH boat. Okay, so how you can create this, when you will click on the new boat, then it will ask you, all right, new boat, how are we going to call it. So then you have to give the name, then you have to write a boat name, then you will get a boat here. Okay, so this is my boat here. So I already created my boat, but yeah, so when you will create this boat, then you will get message like done, congratulations on your new boat, and this is the user token which you need. Okay, so I will copy this. See, okay, when you will click here, then it will copy it, and then you will come on the screen, then you will enter this boat API boat token. Okay, when you will click here, then you have to it will ask you that configure skill now. So I will select no here, and then I will write okay. So yeah, it is going to set up everything. Okay, so I didn't select anything. So yep, everything is going to done here. It will take a little bit of time. So I created ID here. Okay, so yeah, it is coming on the screen. Let ignore this error and come back here. Okay, so onboarding complete. Okay, dashboard open with your token. Keep it tab to control more mode. Okay, so now everything is done. Okay, so what we are going to do here. So now we are going to use a gateway service. Okay, so installing OpenClaw.ai as background service require admin permission. Okay, for this demo we will run it manually. Okay, so we are going to so the basic OpenClaw setup is now completed, and now we are going to start gateway. Okay, so how it will do, so then again same command pnpn and dev hyphen and gateway. Okay, you can see that command, and then when you will run this command, so this gateway is the code engine of our OpenClaw.ai. Okay, if the gateway is not running, nothing will work. Okay, so now that gateway is going to start, then we will move ahead. Now you can see here, so now my gateway is started here, like Telegram is connected here. So I will come and I will open my new terminal here. Okay, and I will clean first. Okay, and then you can open the dashboard also. Like OpenClaw also provide web dashboard where we can monitor health, channel, and session. So I will come on that again, that folder, that mold board. Okay, yeah. So this is my folder, and here I will like pnpm dev hyphen dashboard. Yeah, this is the command which you need to access the dashboard of Multboard. Okay, which is known as OpenClaw now. So now it is taking time a little bit. So now, yeah, this is the dashboard. Okay, you can see here in this dashboard still it is there multi-board. Okay, so this is, you can see here now this health is okay, and I will show the channel here. So I connected Telegram channel here, so you can see that where it is. Yeah, so you can see here configuration is done, running is yes. So and if you will see here, the token is also presented here. Okay, so now the important concept, that is Telegram doesn't give user ID. Okay, when you created a bot, so a user ID is generated by only after a user interacted with the bot. Okay, so without user ID, a bot cannot send a message. Okay, so how you will get the user ID? Okay, so the easiest way to get a user ID is come back again, and then you have to search this one. Okay, so you have to write this user info bot. Okay, when you will write this in your search box, then it will open, and then you can see here that user ID is presented here. Okay, and if you will get your user ID, okay, then you can send an automation message now. And now I will come back on my CLI screen, and here I will write message. Then you can see that this message will directly go on this OpenClaw that board. Okay, and how it will be, let's see. So I will write again one command, pn dev hyphen hyphen, and then space message. Okay, message send. After that again hyphen hyphen, then channel telegram, and again hyphen hyphen target. And then after target, you have to write the username. Okay, so you can see that I already copied my username here. Okay, so I will write the same username here. Okay, so 5847392479. So this is my user ID. Okay, and I wrote here, then again hyphen hyphen message, and now I will write a message. Okay, like hello, this is OpenClaw AI automation message. Okay, so I just write this message. Now I will close it. Then yeah, let's see, it will go. So what this command is going to do, so it will send a message through a Telegram. Now you can see here it is connecting, and yeah, so sent via Telegram message ID 3. Okay, so now I got that message, and I will open my Telegram here, and I will show that hello, this is OpenClaw AI automation message. Okay, so like that you can you can send automation message using OpenClaw, and yeah, it's a really very powerful tool. You can do pairing approval also here. So pairing approval is a security feature. If I will show you, I will come here, yeah, that ID is not here. Okay, so you can get a pairing approval ID also, and when you will get that, so you can use it for security feature that prevent unauthorized user from accessing the board. Now uh, now you can see that this message wasn't sent manually. Okay, I didn't write that message in the Telegram board. I sent that message using that CLI. Okay, so what we learn today? So what we learned today, that OpenClaw, how it is, how you can do the setup from scratch. That video is already presented, okay, already uploaded, and how you can connect the Telegram port, and how you can set automated message. Okay, so this is what we learned today. I hope you like this video, and yeah, in upcoming days, this tool will be more powerful, and there will be more future. Okay, so subscribe this channel if you want to learn more about Moltboard. You can access more tools, and in the next video, I will teach you that how you can use AI intelligence in OpenClaw. Okay, and yeah, if this video, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe and give your support. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.